Hello guys and welcome to the new lecture. In this lecture we are going to work on the hide and show method. So for that we need to use the hover event. So after that what I'm going to do is dollar two parentheses, and inside that parentheses I'm going to write image.hide. I'm going to save it, and when I refresh the page, as you can see that the image has been hide. But what if I will remove the hover from this click button? Then I want this image back over here. So for that what I need to do is I'm going to write so right over here I'm going to write another function, and I need to remove this, and this should be image dollar two parentheses and image dot show. I'm going to assign the millisecond over here 2000, and I'm going to assign the millisecond on the hide method as well. And right over here after that function, after that first function, I'm going to write the comma over here. So what does that first function do? It will execute when the mouse will hover. And what does this second function do? It will execute the method when the mouse hover has been removed. So I'm going to save it, and I'm going to refresh the page. As you guys have noticed that when I will remove the hover, the mouse from this click button, then the image will show back to the point. So as you can see, the image is over here. So by using this hide and show, and by using these two functions, and we will concatenate, we will differentiate that function by using this comma. Right, so guys, in this class we have learned that how to hide and show by using the hover event. So I will see you guys in the next class with some other stuff. So till then, stay tuned, have a good day.